All right, first up. This one lives in my toolbox full-time, the Autel PowerScan PS100. If you've ever wasted time guessing what's wrong with a wire or a fuse, this thing saves you. It's not just a voltage tester, it does voltage, continuity, resistance, even lets you power components directly. Like, I've literally triggered wipers and radiator fans just to confirm they're good. No back and forth with the fuse box. It's got that LED tip. Red means power, green means ground, and yeah, the beep changes too. Super quick to catch opens or shorts without thinking too hard. And the 20-foot cable? That's clutch. You can be working at the front and still reach all the way to the back without dragging the battery around. Also bonus, it's got built-in protection, so if you accidentally poke somewhere you shouldn't, it's not going to fry the tool, or your fingers. It's one of those tools you don't realize how useful it is, until you start using it for literally everything electrical. Next up, the BT300P from Topdon. Honestly, if you work around cars even a little, a proper battery tester is a must. This one does more than just tell you good or bad. It tests the battery, the starter cranking, and the alternator charging system. So if a customer comes in with, "My car won't start," you've got answers in like 3 seconds. It works on pretty much every 12 volts battery type. AGM, gel, flooded, EFB, you name it. I've even used it on lawnmowers and boats. Yeah, it's that flexible. The screen's sharp, the interface is simple, and here's the cool part. It prints out the results right there. No ink, no drama, just thermal paper. Super handy if you're handing off reports to customers or want to log stuff for later. Also comes with a little bag and extra paper rolls. It's just one of those tools that makes you look pro, but it's dead easy to use. Alright, number 3 isn't a tool you hold, but honestly, I use this one more than my ratchet set some days. It's all data. This thing is like having every service manual ever made right on your screen. It covers about 95% of vehicles on the road, so whether it's a common sedan or something weird that rolled into the shop, chances are it's in there. You get OEM repair procedures, wiring diagrams, torque specs, TSBs, everything straight from the manufacturer. No guessing, no random forum advice, just the real stuff. And if you're stuck on something tricky, there's Find a Fix, which basically shows you what worked for other techs. You can also call their Tech Assist line and speak to actual ASE-certified master techs. Yeah, humans. They've also got shop management tools built in if you want to take it a step further. Estimates, parts tracking, workflow, super handy for anyone running a busy garage. It's not flashy, but it's one of those things that just makes life smoother, especially when time matters. All right, number 4, the Autel TBE200. If you're still using a manual tread gauge and a flashlight to check tires and brakes, it's time to level up. This little guy checks tire tread depth and brake disc wear in one go. And the best part? You don't even need to take the wheel off. It's got a built-in laser sensor that reads down to 0.1 millimeter accuracy. So you're getting super precise numbers, not just eyeballing wear anymore. You can use it standalone, but when you pair it with the ITS 600, it goes full smart mode. Full tire health reports, TPMS status, wear patterns, and even gives you repair suggestions, like rotate tires or consider brake service. Pretty slick. Oh, and it can take actual photos of tire damage, look up DOT codes, check for tire recalls, and even alert you if the tires are expired. That's stuff the older TBE100 doesn't do. Honestly, it's a time saver. Just scan, read, done, and you've got a clean digital record to show the customer. Last on the list, but definitely one of the most practical. This one's more for your trunk than your toolbox. The Topdon V2200 Air. This thing is basically your emergency survival kit in one device. Need to jump a dead battery? Boom. 2200 amps. It'll start anything up to 8-liter petrol or 6-liter diesel, and it does it in, like 2 seconds. Low tire pressure? No problem. Built-in air compressor inflates a flat tire in under 3 minutes. It's got presets for cars, motorbikes, even basketballs. Yeah, it's that versatile. It also doubles as a 45-watt fast-charging power bank, which is clutch if your phone's dying while you're stranded. And the flashlight? Super bright. 400 lumens, with SOS and strobe modes if you're stuck somewhere at night. Bonus, it shows you real-time tire pressure, so you're not just guessing when inflating. It's compact, powerful, and honestly, a must-have for any vehicle. whether you're a mechanic or just someone who hates calling roadside assistance. Thank you for watching. See you next time.